Hello friends and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain bicyclegym.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this site, and Bicycle Gym is an online shopping store which is selling track brand bicycles under different categories like Electra, Mountain, Kids, Hybrid, etc. And guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's check out the other information related to payment and shipping. So you can take a look here. The modes of payment available on the site are Visa, MasterCard, American Express, McAfee Secure, UPS, DHL, etc. Now talking about shipping information. So you need to visit the delivery information section, and here you will find that delivery times are between 3 to 5 days to all major destinations. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a valid and secure HTTPS protocol, which is a good sign. But talking about domain information, so guys, the domain name was created on 16th of October 2020. So it is precisely 11 days old website. So we can't trust on this website easily. So before making any decision, let's check out the About Us section of this site. So here is the About Us section. And guys, the information available on this web page is not enough that define its legitimacy, so this makes it quite suspicious. They have not provided any information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, offerings info and photos. So plus the rates of the products are too low, which makes the website quite suspicious, guys. So we need to be aware regarding the more factors. Now let's check out the contact us details. So guys, they have not provided their contact details like official address, and they have provided fake contact number as well as an email ID which does not matches with the domain name. So this is a red high alert and shows that the website may be suspicious. Talking about social media presence, guys, the site has no social media presence at all, which is again a bad sign. And yes, let's check out the return policy section, but they have not mentioned a particular section of return policy, so we need to visit the delivery information section again, and here they have provided the refund policy. So let's check out the section. Yes, easy 60-day returns. Yes guys, the website has mentioned 60 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product, because it will really give benefit to other customers while making any online purchase or reviewing such type of websites. And guys, talking about other sales and discounts offers, so this website is providing heavy discounts and sales offers on the price of track products it sells, which seems unrealistically cheaper, and hence only some scam websites or problematic sites can afford to offer, but the legit company will never offer such type of discounts. So this really shows that the website is a suspicious site. And guys, talking about customer reviews, so we have found no reviews about this website, as the site is a newly launched website and is not popular at all. Apart from that, guys, bicyclegym.com has no mail server. This is a bad sign here. And lots of content as well as its website theme match with multiple suspicious and problematic sites. So guys, there are so many loopholes that defines this website's fakeness. So in the final conclusion, I would say the site appears to be a scam website and you should stay away from such type of websites. For money related problem, guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today and be informed, be safe. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.